All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right, so in today's live stream, we'll go over the market and see what's going on in the crypto market, stocks, overall news, and then we will play a few games of chess. Let me let me check my mic just to make sure everything is working. Give me just a sec. Um, Let me check my mic just to make sure everything is working. All right, looks like everything is working. Looks like the mic is good. Okay, so let's talk about the market. So right now, what everybody's kind of waiting for, what the market is waiting for, I believe it's going to happen tonight. So the current administration is meeting up with people in Congress to discuss the recent bills that are supposed to be passed as far as spending and budgeting and things like that. And it looks like they haven't came to an agreement yet. So this could potentially lead to a shutdown in the government. Now, this could be very negative for the market, but it ends up being very positive for risk assets because when things like the government shut down, people tend to go to areas where you can. I wouldn't say like preserve your money because Bitcoin and crypto is volatile, but I guess where they want to go to where it's not as tied to the market. Like your assets are not as tied to the market. Crypto being one of those things, and so a lot of people are predicting if we do get that government shutdown, crypto will explode. Now, as far as the market goes, stocks, indexes, blue chip, I think blue chip assets will do good. Anything in a hot sector will do good. Technology will do really good. But what they basically said is that we were supposed to get job numbers this Friday. And if we do get a government shutdown, I think the Bureau of Labor Statistics said they weren't going to release those numbers. So I'm not sure that how that's going to affect the market too. But yeah, it's very interesting to see what's going to happen as far as this government shutdown. Now let's just get an overview of what happened in the market today. So if we look at stocks, so it says the S&P 500 is trading modestly higher, up 0.19%. The Dow Jones is up 0.15%. The Nasdaq is leading 0.3.7%. And again, the Nasdaq is filled with a lot of technology stocks. So maybe people know something we don't know, and they have a good, um, you know, good, what do you call it? A good preview of what they think is going to happen as far as this government shutdown. So they are some good insight to maybe what's going to go on, maybe some insider knowledge that maybe they know they're not going to come to a deal, and they're loading up on tech stocks and crypto and things like that. So maybe that's why the Nasdaq is up. It says leaders, tech, healthcare sectors are showing strength. Risk market is top heavy, big tech dominance. Fed policy uncertainty, tariff rulings, and political risk from a potential U.S. government shutdown. Yeah. So market again top heavy in big tech dominance because of this Fed policy uncertainty, tariff rulings, and things like that. So things that are decentralized like crypto tend to do good, and then also big tech things that are like risk assets tend to go up during times like this. Okay, and then if we look at crypto, so right now BTC is sitting at 114. Bitcoin dominance is like hovering around that 58 to 59% mark. Again, I think in the next few days we're going to see whether it crashes or it goes above that 60% mark. Again, there's different opinions on that on crypto Twitter, and people one side thinks it's going to go one way, and one side thinks it's going to go the other way. So it's going to be interesting to see how that plays out in the next coming days and coming weeks. Economics. So it's U.S. investors are watching jobs and inflation data. A government shutdown could delay reports and hit confidence. Yeah. So again, everybody has their eyes on this government shutdown. Again, I don't think that's going to have any effect on the interest rate cuts that we're going to get in October or that are set to come in October. There was actually somebody on crypto Twitter that said that we potentially could get a 50 basis point cut, which would be very positive for the market. So again, we'll see how that works out. But yeah, I mean, nothing much has changed since yesterday, and we just have to wait and see as we enter October. A lot of people are bullish on October, and we'll see how that plays out and which assets take off and which ones kind of sit back, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the market update. Let's play a few games of chess, and that'll be it for the day. All right, let's move this here. I'm not going to be playing this. Oops. Battery is about to die. All right. First win of the day. Pretty good. First W. All right. That was easy. That was pretty easy right there. Nope. I'm going to play somebody new. All right. This is my last game. 2 W's in a row. Can't beat that. Can't complain. All right. Darn it. Man, I'm wasting a lot of time. Oops. Let's let's do this. Let's see what he's trying to do there. Darn it. Yeah, I knew what he was trying to do too. Um, hmm. Darn, I'm running out of time. It's not gonna work here. Uh, Darn it, that's checkmate right there. Crap. Okay, let me do one more and I'll call it a day. Let's break this. Darn it. This might work out actually. Darn it. Ooh, take with that. Um, Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Um, I think that's free, no? Yep. Perfect. Yeah, I think I got him with that. Hola. Hey, what's up, Elvin? Yeah, I think I won this game. Should be fine, actually. Here. Let's see. Gotta protect, buddy. Um, oh my goodness, man, these people keep calling. Um, there's no way he'll win this game. Absolutely no way. Knew it. All right. All right. That's pretty much it. 3 games. The market looks pretty much similar to what it did last week. Again, we're just waiting on this government shutdown, see the results of that, and then see how the market takes it. A lot of people are focusing on the crypto market because they say it could be very beneficial for the crypto market if we have a government shutdown, but maybe not as good for the overall market. But we'll see. Hopefully this is not freezing. All right, I think it's there. But yeah, hopefully we'll see here what happens soon with this government shutdown. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.